So people have started joining. So again, नया दिन और नया इंटरव्यू. हेलो गाइस, देन वेलकम टू मूवीज अड्डा. मैं हूँ ज्योति नाहक. बीइंग सेना खान. ओके, सो लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर ज्वाइनिंग. सो गाइस, आज हम इंटरव्यू करने वाले हैं. ऑफ कोर्स हमने पहले पुट अप कर दिया था अंजना सुखानी का, जिनको आपने काफ़ी बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स में देखा होगा. उसके साथ साथ साउथ फिल्म्स में काफ़ी देखा है, तेलुगु तमिल सिनेमा में देखा है. उसके साथ साथ अगर मैं बात करूँ पंजाबी फिल्म्स में काफ़ी देखा है. सो जो Rahul Patel is laughing. I don't know why, but still. Okay, so जो भी आपके सवाल हैं अंजना सुखानी से, वो आप सारे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. जैसे ही अंजना हमें ज्वाइन करेंगी वैसे ही we'll start this live interview session. और बहुत टेंशन में लग रहे हो? नहीं, मैं टेंशन में नहीं हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं वेट कर रही हूँ अंजना का कि जैसे ही अंजना आएंगी वैसे ही सवाल शुरू हो जाएंगे. और मुझसे सवाल पूछने से बेटर है कि आप अंजना से सवाल पूछें. और आई थिंक एंड आई डोंट थिंक अंजना हैज जॉइंड अस. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट द मोस्ट गॉर्जियस और एक्ट्रेस अंजना सुखानी. हेलो.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग. हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड. आप कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास.
So how are you spending your quarantine?
Well, I think like everybody else, actually. There's a lot of noise. One second. Yeah, like everybody else, cooking, cleaning, reading, watching TV. Yeah, I think like everybody else, nothing extraordinary.
जब हम आम लोग बोलते हैं कि we are cleaning, we are doing things, so it sounds very natural. But when actors and actresses say कि हम भी झाड़ू लगा रहे हैं, हम भी पोछा लगा रहे हैं, that sounds very fascinating to us.
Why? But we are as human as you are, and I mean, just like your house help is not able to come, so is ours. It's the same thing. Nothing so different, honestly.
Right. So if we talk about taking care of yourself, तो इस लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे क्या आप भी अपना ध्यान रख रही हैं, like doing skin care routines and everything?
I think that anyways is a very natural routine, irrespective of the lockdown or not. There's some issue with the volume. I don't know. Yeah, I'm saying, so yeah, there is definitely a regular routine which one follows all the time, whether lockdown है कि नहीं, it doesn't matter. But हाँ, अभी extra time मिल रहा है to do extra stuff which you are otherwise not able to do every day. So वो एक extra care definitely हो रही है, but nothing extraordinary that I am doing or I'm sure that anybody else is doing, because there's only that much you can take care of your skin. You can't overdo anything. You don't want rashes on your skin and suddenly कोई problem आ जाए और कोई dermatologist available नहीं है, so you can't do anything extra.
अच्छा, अगर अंजना बात की जाए तो हमने आपको बॉलीवुड से लेकर साउथ फिल्म्स में, इवन यू हैव डन अ पंजाबी फिल्म इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, तो तरह तरह के रोल्स आप करती हैं, तरह तरह की फिल्म्स में हमने आपको देखा है. सो एज एन एक्टर व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इन योर माइंड जब आप कोई स्क्रिप्ट देखती हैं?
I think probably a very general thing that all the actors not only just look at your character in the film or the script, you also see the entire vibe of the people that you're going to work with. So whether it is your cast, your crew, your actors, the production, I think हर चीज मैटर करती है, because at the end of the day गोल एक ही है कि आप जो भी करो वो आपके ऑडियंसेस तक पहुंच पाए. So and they are able to see it and hopefully appreciate it. So I think at the end of the day there are so many things that one keeps in mind doing a film. It just not only doesn't boil down to just the character or the script. There is like another 100 things that you think of before you sign a film. Then again, it's also that हर चीज तो आपके स्पेसिफिकेशन के हिसाब से नहीं होगी, आपकी नियत के हिसाब से नहीं होगी. Someone somewhere will falter in something and things might not work out. But I think overall you just have to go with your gut, I feel.
एग्जैक्टली. अच्छा, अगर मैं बात करूं, जैसे सारी इंडस्ट्रीज अपने अपने डिफरेंट तरीके हैं हर किसी के काम करने के. बॉलीवुड वर्क्स इन डिफरेंट वे, टॉलीवुड वर्क्स इन डिफरेंट वे, एंड आई एम श्योर पंजाबी मस्ट हैव देयर ओन वेज. सो डू यू फाइंड एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंस? क्योंकि आपने सभी सिनेमाज में काम किया, सो आई कैन आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. हर जगह
So yeah, I think I think yes, I've done Kannada, Telugu, Punjabi, Marathi, Hindi, 5 languages. And I think the बहुत basic differences है, of course, वो culture है. Because with every state the culture changes, with every state the food changes, and somehow I feel with every state there is emotion is the same, पर emotion की जो क्या कहते हैं graph होता है वो ऊपर नीचे होता है. So in Bollywood or Marathi or Kannada, I feel it's a little more real. Telugu and Punjabi is a little over the top emotions. You are a little more louder, but the crux of it is the same. I mean, if you're feeling love, you're feeling love. You're just showing it in extraordinary ways in other regions. In Bollywood or Marathi, you're showing it very subtly. Similarly with every other emotion, whether it's anger or a comedy. So I think these are the only basic differences. Yes, but one thing I have to give it to the South film industry is it's extremely disciplined in terms of time. I think that one thing that that we kind of not really lack in Bollywood, but I think we just take things a little more easy and a little more granted. वहाँ पर समय की बहुत value है. So I think that's one thing that's a very beautiful thing about them is that the discipline and the punctuality is like commendable.
Right. Ma'am, अगर मैं बात करूँ, कि जैसे आपने कहा कि you're spending whole your day, doing different things. What's the one thing that you will miss once the lockdown gets over?
Oh wow! Once the lockdown gets over,
Exactly.
That's a new question. I think what I'm going to miss probably is almost 40-45 days हो गए हैं lockdown को, and I think the kind of peace that came with it. शुरू के दिनों में ऐसा लगा कि अरे यार क्या हो रहा है ये वो, but then you kind of settle into that emotion of that peace around you, and I think that I'm going to miss. The noise that's suddenly going to increase, and there'll be people honking and talking, and वो शांति जो मिली ना ये 45 days, I think that is what I'm going to miss. I feel that there is some issue with, I think, the volume. Can you check? Because everything is saying that.
I guess you have to use headphone, if I'm not wrong.
I don't have headphones. I don't use headphones on my phone.
So this sometimes this happens because of the network also. So it gets settled down.
Yeah, my light just went off, so I assume probably something must have gone wrong.
Okay, we'll continue the interview because वो कभी-कभी network का भी issue होता है, guys. So आपको आवाज आ रही है, that is the most important thing. So अगर मैं बात करूँ तो yeah, you were telling about.
अगर आप दोनों को बात कर रही है तो please personally phone कर लो. Sorry guys, very sorry about that. But should we try and connect again? Maybe cut and connect again.
Yeah, okay. We'll just connect it once more.
Because I know it must be troubling everybody, so I guess let's just make it comfortable for everyone.
So I'm removing right now.
Yes, and then I'll connect again.
Yeah. Guys, कभी-कभी नेटवर्क का भी इशू होता है. अंजना ने उनके पास हेडफोन्स नहीं है and वॉइस रिपीट हो रहा है, so you cannot. Yeah, I'm already. My mic is already there. See, if you can see, it's already connected to the phone, guys. Okay, so let's start. आपके जो सवाल है, if you have questions, you can ask your questions. और ये इंटरव्यू जब वापस अपलोड होगा तभी भी, yeah. So actually the thing is that you have to wear headphones or something like that. Then it does not get repeated. Otherwise, there's no issue.
No, but I've been doing this regularly, and I don't know why there's an issue today somehow.
Okay, so as you said, कि lots and lots of things you're doing. So what's the one most entertaining thing that you're doing कि अपने आप को entertain रखना है इस चीज के जरिए?
I don't think so. There's one particular thing, but so again, I think I can still feel the voice going crazy. Anyway, I think the one thing, maybe reading is something that I'm really enjoying, and watching lots of shows on TV, on the OTT platforms. I think that's one thing I'm really enjoying actually. So I think these two things are like keeping me more busy than anything else.
Are you also binge watching like us? We are binge watching continuously. Are you also?
No, so not all stuff binge watching. Some I have binge watched. Like I think in the initial days of lockdown, I binge watched a lot, and then I was like, God, मैं इतना TV नहीं देख सकती, it's difficult. But I've kind of slowed down that pace a little bit. So now easy, but trying to do multiple other things as well.
Right. Someone has asked, are you planning to visit Chandigarh anytime soon?
Yeah, anytime soon. First, I would love to visit a restaurant around my area before I visit Chandigarh.
Right.
But I would love to. I love the place. I spent a lot of time in Chandigarh when I was shooting the Punjabi film. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, I would love to be there sometime.
Also, someone has asked, who's your most favorite co-star? अभी तक आपने जिसके भी साथ काम किया है?
I would say Akshay.
Akshay.
He's super funny. He is super entertaining. He has an amazing sense of humor. So it has to be Akshay Kumar, definitely.
Right. Also, Good News has become, you know, one of the most popular films, and इतना अच्छा response मिला Good News को. What do you have to say about it?
I'm just very, very thankful that people enjoyed that film. It was made with all heart, and people truly, I think, always enjoy comedy films. So I'm just very, very thankful that people are really liking, appreciating, and enjoying it. So it's now even streaming on Prime Video, and somebody who missed it can watch it again.
Right. Also, which is your favorite web series that you have watched, or you're probably watching it right now?
So, Game of Thrones was something that I wanted to watch for a very long time, but it needed a very long commitment in terms of 8 seasons with like 10 episodes each. Is like a huge thing to give for a show. So that's one thing I really binge watched was Game of Thrones. Then I saw Hotstar. I saw Special Ops on Hotstar. I think that was amazing series again. I saw Jamtara on Netflix.
Right.
Some great content coming from Indian producers, and I think it's great that we can, you know, be in our comfortable space and be able to watch all that stuff. And I think it's fantastic the kind of stuff we are producing.
Right. Someone has asked कि आपकी खुद की फिल्म्स में से एक कोई गाना जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद हो, your own song that you love the most.
I think because it's very peppy, and I feel a lot of youth connect to that song is Tenule. And I get so many people sending their, you know, choreography bits on that song, and it's amazing how, I mean, it's been quite a while to that song now, many years. But yeah, but I think that's one song that kind of stays or has stayed for a very long time.
Right. Some Atul is asking, is that true that you are a vegetarian?
Yes, I am a vegetarian. I do end up eating eggs sometimes, but that's, I think, probably once in few months usually. Only probably when I'm traveling is when I eat eggs for breakfast, which is also rare, but ideally, yes, a vegetarian.
Right. So, this is, you know, from my personal thing that I wanted to ask this question. You always wanted to become an actor, ya phir it just happened, or what's the story behind it?
No, actually, I didn't want to become an actor, and I just sometimes feel that destiny, you have to let destiny play its own part in your life, and just flow with it. And I think I'm just glad that it happened to me, because I feel that I probably wouldn't have done anything else other than this. I mean, once it happened, it was like some magic happened in life, and then you just don't want to go back to doing what you were doing, right? So I'm just glad that acting happened to me.
Right. Also, someone has asked this very interesting question. Harshil has asked, why don't you do web series? Are you like planning to do a web series or something like that?
Yes, I am. It's just unfortunate that the lockdown happened and everything really got shut in terms of shooting, and you know, everything just kind of paused for a while. But I know that another month or two, I think we will kind of start being back to be on sets and be able to continue working. So yes, there is something in pipeline, and I think hopefully we should be able to start shooting another year.
Right. Also, do you think, you know, at this point of time, पिछले 1-2 साल में OTT platforms जो हैं, digital platform, it's booming like, you know, you can never imagine कितना ज़्यादा इसने अपने आप को expand कर लिया है. So, as an actor, do you think it's the peak time for every actor to explore themselves as well?
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for not just actors, honestly, even directors जिनको वो platform नहीं मिला to make film, or writers who didn't get platform to showcase their work on a big screen. This is a new medium completely, at the comfort of in your house, you can, you're able to watch everything from across the world literally.
Exactly.
And I think it's fantastic that these times have come, that people who probably were sitting home or didn't have work or were looking for opportunities to showcase their work, I think web series and web films have kind of opened that arena for everyone. So I think even for actors, writers, producers, everyone.
Right. Also, Monty has asked, would you like to do a movie with Ravi Teja again?
Of course, why not? I truly enjoyed working with him. He is such a great guy. He's actually known like Akshay Kumar of South, of Telugu cinema. And again, he has a fantastic sense of timing in terms of comedy. He's super awesome, actually.
Right. There's a very gharelu question there. I have to ask this one. Someone is asking, Ravi Kumar is asking, ma'am, आप veg food में क्या क्या बना लेती हो and what's your favorite food? So he's taking your exam kind of a thing.
No, you don't have to take my exam. I'll totally tell you. So I can pretty much cook everything in Indian vegetarian. I can cook a little bit of Punjabi. I can cook South Indian. I can cook Chinese. I can cook a little bit of Mexican, Italian. So I'm hands-on that way. I just don't cook too much, but I know how to cook all of that.
Right. Just the way we say in India, Sarvagun Sampann. That's what you can call her.
I don't know that, okay. But yeah.
So,
this is a hairband. Somebody asked me what is on your head. Exactly. It's a hairband, dear. I didn't want to wash my hair today. I was too lazy, so I thought let's just put a band.
Right. Other than cooking, is there any artistic side of yours जो आपने discover की हो during this lockdown? Many people are, experimenting a lot of things. So what are you experimenting?
I only wish I wish that I had an artistic side of painting, which I don't have. I'm totally disgusting at it. But I enjoy music, and that's art too. And I'm learning, taking a little bit of online classes from how to strum a guitar. And I know how to play a harmonium a little bit. And and music is a passion that I've had, and I think now I've had a little extra time to kind of work on it. So that's been really nice.
Right. Pramod is asking कि आपकी new movie कब आ रही है? Obviously lockdown के बाद ही आएगी.
Of course, yeah, lockdown के बाद ही आएगी. I think बहुत सारी films अभी क्या है, backlog हो गया होगा उनका. So people would have to sit down and figure out that how they are going to now start releasing films. Also because of the fact that it's still not very comfortable for us to get into, bigger groups like theaters or gyms or malls. It's not safe right now. So I think when the government decides when it is appropriate to open the theaters, I think probably then the Producers Association will take a call.
Right. Also, जिस तरह का environment right now चल रहा है, everyone is somewhat scared or panicking or getting nervous, or some people are just relaxing. So, what is your current mood right now?
My current frame is fantastic. Actually, I've realized. I mean, I always knew this. I mean, this is not really new discovery for myself, but I have been a hardcore, eternal optimist in life. And even though it's very natural to feel a little gloomy once in a while, once in a few days, but I think I bounce really easily. So I haven't been anxious at all. I'm actually looking forward to, okay, maybe if we have another 20 days or 1 month to get over this, and then look forward to what's next in life now.
Right. Also, so many questions are regarding कि please ma'am को बोलो to sing a song.
अगली बार इस बार नहीं याद. So anyways, you guys are telling me that this funny double voice is coming, so I have no idea, but I'll do that, and I promise you guys.
Yeah. And also people are asking, when are you going to come to Gujarat? We are dying to meet you.
Really? In Gujarati, I'll tell you one line that I always say. It says, "Aujo mare mate kai laujo."
What does that mean? I have no idea.
It means, okay, see you, bring me something when you come next time.
Oh, so do you know how to cook any Gujarati dishes? Because the names are definitely very scary, it sounds like a missile, as Karina said.
Dishes. I know how to make dhokla.
Right.
And I know how to make Gujarati curry because I think all you have to do is add a little bit of good and becomes Gujarati curry, right?
Right.
In Gujarati, otherwise, no, I don't know. I mean, they can ask me something in like specific thing. I know something to
Right.
cook, but I can't really wrap my head around anything specific that I know. Thepla? Yeah, I kind of know thepla, and it's not that difficult.
Right. Okay. Atul has asked, what do you do at free time when you're not shooting or not acting?
There is still so much to do. I mean, life just doesn't revolve around just the set all the time. I don't know, traveling, spending time with family, reading, and like I said, I have great passion for music, so I try and give a lot of time to that. Yeah, I guess that's it.
Also, right now so many people are worried about कि लॉकडाउन खत्म होने तक ऐसा ना हो कि हमारा वेट गेन हो जाए, हम मोटे हो जाए. So how are you maintaining yourself right now? Because people are eating so much right now. So how are you taking care of yourself?
I don't know if I think everybody is very intelligent now to understand that सिर्फ खा के बैठ नहीं सकते. You have to be mobile. You have to be in movement. And I realize that there is so much of workout videos available on YouTube that it's just an excuse if you say you're not working out. Though I also haven't worked out in over a week or so. I had a bad back, but I'm much better now. I think I'll start working out from tomorrow or something. But honestly, no excuse because there is so much available that if you don't like one kind of workout, there are another 10 things available online to, for you to watch and just copy that literally. And if nothing else, just walk in your home or jump, take a skipping rope and jump, or I don't know. There's so much.
Just do homework. Yeah.
There's
also,
so much.
if I ask, yeah. Also, if I ask, जिस तरीके से हम घर के अंदर बंद है भले ही, but बाहर the nature is healing itself. तो उस पर what is your take? मतलब everything is, we never imagined कि मुंबई में we'll see peacocks, roaming on roads or dolphins coming on water sides. We never imagined all this. So what is your take on that?
I think in a way we deserve this virus because we have really abused Mother Earth, we abused the nature, we abused the creation of God, and I think this is a lesson that we needed to learn, that we all can survive in this world, whether it is animals and wildlife or humanity, on the same planet with certain kind of dignity given to everyone. And you don't have to invade other person's space to make your own space. And I think, I hope people realize that it's truly very important to preserve what is being given to us. And I don't know, just take the right step. So this is in a way a welcome step and a way to be wiser, I feel.
Right. Also, what do you have to say about those people? कुछ लोग lockdown का पालन नहीं कर रहे हैं. People are not taking care of themselves. Lockdown का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं. That's what we call in Hindi, उल्लंघन. So, what do you have to say about those people? Do you want to give any message, anything?
So, honestly, I'm nobody to give a message. I can they all are people who are wise enough to know what is right and what is wrong for them. I don't want to be a teacher to anybody, but it's just a friendly advice that you are not just risking your life, you're also risking your parents and you're risking your friends and you're risking, and honestly, this is an invisible enemy. You don't know where it's coming from. You don't know what you've touched and where you've gone and touched that surface, and you might be okay because your immunity is fine, but somebody else might not have that great immunity and they might suffer and pass, and that's not a life anybody should lead, with this kind of uncertainty. It's really sad because I was seeing a couple of videos of how the dead bodies were, treated after they passed away in this coronavirus. And it was just so sad to see because their families could not even say goodbye properly. They couldn't even give them last hug. And just that visual just completely shattered me inside that, you have to be so cautious of this, and I just take care and be safe, I think, and just maintain this social distance is going to be this word of the century for us now, because like I said, it's an invisible enemy and we just don't know. You just have to be careful.
Exactly. So many people are saying, please sing a song, and also Vivek has
Okay, I'll say that.
said, "Hi
I'll
ma'am,
say
I'm your
something.
biggest fan and still my favorite movie is Jashan. You were amazing in that."
Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, I'll try and sing something. Let me think of 2 lines, okay?
Yep.
जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात। That's it.
I was shocked. I never knew you sing so well. I never knew that. I think
Still
these
learning,
people
darling.
I think
Still
these
learning,
people
still getting there.
इतनी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी तभी गाने के लिए, सो थैंकफुली आपने गाया। एटलीस्ट जिस एक इंसान को आई थिंक नहीं पता था उसे ही पता चल गया मुझे। एनीवेज,
Thank you so much.
Atul has said, okay, Samida official is saying,
Samita is
hello,
my
Atul.
very dear friend. She's a fantastic and a very renowned Marathi actor. I've done the Marathi film with her, Lalish, and she's a mind-pumping actor. You have to see the film for her. She's so natural.
Yes, absolutely. We will see. Atul is asking again, any old movie you think that you wish you could have been a part of? Any older film, like pehle ki any film?
I mean, that I would have to be like born 100 years ago if I had to really look at that. But some films which are really cult and have really stayed with me. There was this one film which I personally actually really like, is Zubeda. And Karishma Kapoor had done that film. It was one of my most favorite films actually. Because for me, when I define love, that's how I feel love would be. It's completely selfless and crazy and like a maniacal feeling to it, literally.
Right. Also, films की तो हमने बात करी, but is there any web series जो देखकर आपको ऐसा लगता हो that I can do a role like that?
Of course. So something like Money Heist.
Yeah.
I would love to do something like Tokyo, maybe. Tokyo's character go completely wild. Or even in Indian series, actually. There's so much lovely stuff that they're doing. I mean, Special Ops didn't have much for girls, but I would love to do something like that, a series like that, which is this undercover agents to play. So that'll be fun. But yeah, I mean, I'm just hoping something exciting comes my way in that genre particular.
Right. Samida ma'am is asking, first of all, she's saying thanks, sweetheart, and then she's asking Marathi Gana gao na.
अरे नहीं, मराठी नहीं आता मुझे गाना. सब मजाक बनाएंगे.
Right. अध्ययन सुमन के साथ आपको मूवी में काम करके कैसा लगा?
Oh, he's a lovely guy. He's actually a gem of a guy. Very sweet, very endearing. And though I've not been in touch with him for a very long time now, but he's very sincere as an actor, and I really hope that he finds some great opportunities to, showcase his talent as well. And it was actually very fun with him and Shahana and Bhatt Saab. And I really miss that set actually, because it's literally like a family situation around, so so nice and warm, and even Bhatt Saab, he would literally treat us like children. I remember me and Adyan and Chana, when we finished the shooting, we went out partying that night, and we went like completely crazy. We went to a casino because we were shooting in Goa, and we had some great times actually together.
Right. Also, as an actor, what you love doing the most? A comedy film or a romantic one or an action film? What is your favorite genre?
Honestly, that question just doesn't justify, I feel, an artist. Because if I say I like this, I'm kind of staging it in that sphere of genre, which I don't want to. I enjoy, because you just don't want to keep portraying one kind of emotion. If you're doing comedy and you're good at it, you just don't want to keep doing comedy because it'll get monotonous. And I realize that artists get bored really fast. Like, people who are creative kind of are also a little cuckoo in the head. At least I am. And I feel that you lose interest really fast. And just to keep that up, to keep that bubbling energy alive, you have to do all kind of work. So there is something that's really deep and dark. There's something very emotional, and then there is something which is very love and flowery and romance, and then there is action, and there is. So why define yourself and say that I would love to do only this or I would love to do this? I want to do everything. I'm greedy.
Right. But which is the toughest thing to do according to you? Like doing comedy is tough, or romancing someone is tough, or doing action is tough?
I think action is tough because you're physically challenged to do that. You know, you have to have a great body, you have to have great agility in your body to be able to do those sequences. So that's just a physical challenge. But I think the most, not difficult, but a challenge would be to make people laugh. And I think comedy would be a genre where you either it's there in you, naturally you have a flair, or you can, maybe you can also develop it. Maybe, you know, watching a lot of comedy, maybe practicing a lot of comedy. There is something that when people talk about timing, I'm sure that if you are not attuned to that timing, I'm sure you can bring that alignment in your performance to be able to make people laugh as well. So but I still feel comedy probably could be a little more challenging than the rest.
Right. Ravi Kumar is asking, ma'am, आप free time में exercise करना पसंद करते हो क्या? And lockdown में any tips for workout?
Ravi, honestly, बहुत बार motivation नहीं होता है करने का, and it's very natural that you don't feel every day motivated to work out. But then you have to find ways to keep yourself motivated. अगर motivation नहीं है तो discipline होगा तो you will still do it no matter what. So that's one thing I realize that always works for everyone is that if you follow that discipline of doing it every day, then the body kind of gets into that mold of it. So even the days where you are not motivated, you still do it because there is a certain time you have given it to the workout part of your life. लॉकडाउन में इनिशियली तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी कि हाँ घर में वर्कआउट करना है, एंड देन वन डे आई पुल्ड माय बैक एंड आई हैड अ टेरिबल वीक 10 days, a lot of pain in my back, but now I'm fine, so I assume I can get back to working out again in this another day or two probably.
Right. Also, is there any beauty tip that you want to give out to girls like us?
Everybody, you know, I feel the biggest beauty tips that can be given to a girl can be from her mother or her grandmother, honestly. Because you don't need anybody else, and you don't need actually anything extra from outside. Everything is available in your house, whether it is dahi, whether it is honey, whether it is nimbu, whether it is turmeric, whether it is oatmeal, whether it is besan. Everything is available at home, and like I said, that nobody else can give you a better beauty tip than your own grandmother or your mother. So I would just say follow that completely.
Right. Are you also one of those actresses who genuinely don't believe in, buying thousands of costly products and then end up doing home remedies for every small thing?
I'm not buying makeup, that is true, but in terms of like going extra for spas in terms of facials and whatever, no, I have never done a facial actually ever in my life. And I've never bleached my face. I did it once and I had really bad repercussions with it because I had these blotches on my face, the red rashes, and that was literally 2 days before the shoot. So I realized it doesn't suit me. So whatever is available at home, I work around it. So like I said, lemon is a natural bleach. You don't need to really bleach your face. You can mix it with curd or honey, and it should be fine because it gives you nice clear skin. And also what is important is what you put inside your body is equally as important as what you apply on your face. So I guess it's a amalgamation of both the things.
Right. Also, someone has asked a very interesting question, I must say. Creative has asked, the name is also Creative. When you are cast opposite Amitabh Bachchan, sir, which role you think in your mind? I think he is trying to ask कि अगर अमिताभ सर के साथ आपको काम करने का मौका मिला, so एक रोल जो आपके दिमाग में आए, I'm gonna do this.
I think the role शायद है नहीं अभी तक, but something that I would love to work with him as is, I would love to play his daughter. So I think our father-daughter relationship film comes to my mind. There was a film called Daddy, which Anupam sir had done. And if something like that is made again, I would love to do something like that. Shabina is
Right.
online. Shabina is a lovely choreographer. She actually has done some amazing work, and she's saying hi. I just want to say hi to
Shabina,
her.
yes, I talked to her yesterday only,
Oh,
and
you
she's
did.
here. Thank you, Shabina.
She's a fantastic choreographer.
Yeah. So have you worked with her?
Yes, of course. We did Darshan together, and then we did department together. And personally, also she taught me some moves. But what a lovely girl! What a lovely girl!
Right. Also, Hamza Sadiq, if I'm not reading it wrong, is asking you, would you like to act with Rajkumar Rao?
Why would not? He's such a bundle of talent.
Exactly.
Oh my God! He's like unbelievable, really. What a fantastic talent he is. I mean, you pick up any of his films and you're like, oh my God, this guy can pretty much do everything. Actually, he's like Irfan Khan in a way. You know, you could put him in any character and he would just shine. And I think that's the beauty of Rajkumar Rao. That you give him any character and he would just make it his own.
Right. As you mentioned, Irfan sir and Rishi sir both are not together anymore with us. So anything you would like to say, any memory that you have of them you want to share?
With Irfan sir, yeah, I have one memory. Actually, I've done a film with him, and in between the shot, we were sitting on a bench. He was shooting in Delhi, I think. And so actually that time I got to know, when we were chatting, you know, I got to know that even he's from Jaipur and so am I. I was born in Jaipur. And we were chatting about schooling. And we realized that we went to the same school. Of course, he was like maybe 20, 25 years senior to me, but we went to the same school. I mean, and that just made me feel so nice that, you know, I share a school with him. We went to St. Paul's in Jaipur, and so did I for a couple of years. And that's the only memory I have about chatting with him about Jaipur days. And with Rishi sir, no, I've never really met him. Like, I met him only once on a social occasion at some birthday party of, I think, Sanjay Dutt sir. And that was the only few minutes conversation that I had with him. But knowing him or not knowing him, both of these artists, it feels like a very personal loss to you. It feels like, you know, somebody of your own has passed, and Rishi sir was like, you know, his smile was like sunshine, I always said. He was such a gorgeous man. I mean, you know, when you see his films from Bobby onwards, it's like, oh my God, such a good looking man. And the beauty about him was he's so honest about everything. If you didn't like it, he probably just say to you on your face, don't show me your face. And I don't know, there was some amazing energy about Rishi sir that just was very beautiful, very honest.
Right. Love. Okay. Marshall is saying, love you in Don Sinu movie. Marshall.
Thank you.
That's the right name. Right. So Anjana, what are the future projects जिनमें हम आपको देख सकते हैं?
So, like I said, there are a couple of web series which hopefully once things get normal, we'll be starting to resume to shoot those. Then there is Mumbai Saga, which is a film. It's directed by Sanjay Gupta. And we have John and Imran Hashmi in the film. And a nice, big, huge cast and a typical Sanjay Gupta film, which is like, you know, the underworld and the cops and the gangsters and super stylishly shot. So, yeah, so that's another film that should be releasing hopefully once things get back to normal.
That Mumbai Saga is based on a real story or it's just a fiction film?
No, it's based on a real story, but of course a lot of it is fiction as well within the framework of the story.
Right. So we are definitely looking forward to Mumbai Saga and all the other works that you're going to do, because people love you so much. Everyone is just saying we love you in this, we love you in that. In general, they love you a lot. So
yes, thank you so much for always being there.
Like to say to fans?
I would just love to say that thank you so much for showering always all your love, and I hope that I'm able to return as much love back. And just big thank you for being such great supporters in life. That's all. And take care and stay safe and maintain social distancing.
Exactly, maintain social distancing. And okay, everyone is asking, do you like makeup or do you not like makeup?
Do I what?
Do you like makeup? That's what
Oh, of
kind of a
course I
question
love
I'm
makeup. I mean, who doesn't love makeup? I love makeup.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Anjana, for talking to us and giving your time to us. And अपने बारे में इतना कुछ बताने की और भी बहुत सारी बातें हैं. So hopefully, if next time we get time, you get time, then we will do
Yes.
one more session with you, जहाँ पे hopefully
Absolutely.
echo ना आए. And thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. So guys, ये थे हमारे साथ अंजना सुखानी एंड आज 6 बजे जहीर इकबाल, जिनको आपने नोटबुक में देखा था, उनका मैं इंटरव्यू करने जा रही हूँ. तो आप लोग 6 बजे आज शार्प रेडी होकर आ जाइएगा इंटरव्यू के लिए. एंड इसी तरह से जितने भी सवाल आप लोगों ने पूछे हैं, क्या मैं आपका स्केच बना सकता हूँ, ये अगर आप अंजना जी का स्केच बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप जरूर बना सकते हैं, इसमें पूछने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. एंड जतिन, आप आज 6 बजे एक और इंटरव्यू है इसी चैनल पर, आप आइए और वो इंटरव्यू में मैं जरूर आपका सवाल पूछूंगी. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट. ओके जतिन. एंड रवि कुमार, यस यू आर सेइंग थैंक यू टू मी. ओके, या यू आर वेलकम. सवाल आपने अच्छा पूछा, इसीलिए हमने भी पूछा. और जितने भी लोग अभी यहाँ पर हैं गाइस, 6 बजे मैं आप सबको इनवाइट कर रही हूँ. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू कम टू आवर चैनल. जहीर इकबाल नोटबुक में जिनको आपने देखा था, उनके साथ इंटरव्यू करने जा रही हूँ मैं. सो प्लीज बी देयर एंड अपने सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस इन दिस लाइव एंड टाटा, बाय बाय, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड 6 बजे जरूर आना.